Hi everyone, so today I have another can, and I'm not sure with the microphone if you cannot see it. Today it's another Sennheiser HD 660S. So I already own the 560S, which is a very nice headphones. However, I wanted to, upgrade and to get something a bit nicer. Well, the other one, actually, it's not mine. It's I gave it to my wife. So personally, I use the Beyer Dynamic on very often on a daily basis. So the DT90 Pro, also open back, same as this one. Anyway, I only like open back headphones. It seems. So yeah, so let's open the box. Oh, it's already opening here. So I just removed the big box. So I bought it at Saturn, also online due to the pandemic current situation. I hope the stores will be able to open soon here in Germany. I cannot open it. Okay. Oops. Okay, maybe that's why I will push it from here. And okay. So on the box there's nothing except some information here, but box is pretty simple. I think there's less information than on the 560S. So we have a nice box, as you can see. So we can see the difference between the 5 series and the 6 series. And so as usual, I do the full unboxing with you, so we can see the thing travel a bit. Okay. So we have some documentation, user guide, your instruction manual. Okay, I will read it. So here, so it's multilingual, so you will have many different things in it. So I guess, well, it's more or less the okay, first the German language. Let's switch to the English one. Okay, Japanese, no. Okay, so here you have the details. If you are interested in this, well, you can find it online, and probably it will be better than to watch here, to watch the details here. So we have the headphones, and we have 2 sets of cables, same as what is it? Okay. Okay. So 2 sets of cables, 1 adapter, 6.3 to 3.5 millimeters, which is for me a same. Actually, I think it's the same adapter than the one I got with the 560. I think. Let me check, because I have the 560 here. So this is the 560. It's exactly the same. Yeah. Okay. So let's remove the box and let's check the nice box. Not sure I will keep it, but I put it on the floor. Oh, let's take the 560 to compare. Oh yeah, it's all dirty now. Okay, so we have the 560 here, which is pretty nice. And we have the 660. And we have the 6.3 millimeters. Ah yes, they were talking about this. Up. Yeah, so you can see this. I don't know, some people complain about it. I don't know. I don't have yet an opinion on that, because the only Sennheiser I had until now. I know I had another old one. It was a very old one. I won't even mention it. So this one you cannot just remove it, and it was only on one side. So here on both sides, it's very nice, very soft. It's even nicer here. Well, it's supposed to be a better headphones. First, because it costs twice the price of the 560S, and also, well, it's the 6 series, so the 6 series is supposed to be better than the 5 series, right? So nice pads. Oh, much better than the 5 series. So some yoke up. That's nice. So you can see 660. Is it written 560S here? No, it's just inside you have it dimension. If you don't know which kind of headphones do you have, it's written inside. Here it's written outside, and you have the beautiful design. The grid is very nice, I think. Yeah, I think it's common, very common on all 6 series. The 6XX, 650, 600 also. They all have this design with the Sennheiser logo. Well, it's also written on the top. It's pretty nice. So here, I forgot how its name. It's 4 millimeters. I don't have the use. I have nothing to plug to use this cable with. So probably this one will remain in the box if I keep it. Probably it's only if you use some high-end equipment. Because I use so far I just have the RME ADI2 DAC. I plan to have something else also, not only for my office but also in the living room. But something here, it's very neutral. I plan to have something a bit more relaxed and warm, maybe. So with a different, I would say, type of equipment. So not sure yet. Right now I'm just checking what is available on the market, and it will take a few months probably before I decide. But I have seen some nice things like SPL Phonitor. I think it was the X or XE, I don't remember. There's the One also with the DAC, so the 1D. Anyway, you have also Burson, the company from Melbourne in Australia. Phonitor from Germany. So there are different things, but yeah, it will be something different than this. So anyway, now I can maybe I can try it. Oh yes, it's much more comfortable than the 560S I had. I tried a bit. I will try to have the sound. Anyway, I focus just on the unboxing on my side. I'm not testing the testing just for me. So I'm not making videos for that. So if you're interested, I mean, the purpose of those videos is just you know what you get when you buy something like this. So yes, you have the 560S, 660S from Sennheiser, and this seems to be much more comfortable, definitely. Yeah, that's so yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah, so if you have any questions, you can ask in the comments, and I will try to answer them. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.